Hello. So I am going to present my BTT assignment, which is recover the audio signal. This is my flow graph. First, I have the variable here where I set the symbol rates for several connected block. I have the Qt GUI range. This is a slider control. When you place the flow graph, the Qt GUI windows is going to pop up with a slider at the bottom named volume. You can change the value there. So start with the file source. This is where you take your input signal that's stored from the real world recording. Second is the signal source. This is gonna generate a local oscillator tone used to mix the recorded signal in frequency. So they're gonna give the output to the multiply. The purpose of the multiply plot is gonna shift the signal spectrum up or down. In this case, it's gonna go down by 20 hertz. You can see here in the frequency in the signal source, there's a number -20 here. That's why when it's go to the multiply, it's gonna go down by 20 hertz. It's gonna pass to the low pass filter. So the low pass filter, it's gonna remove any unwanted high frequency components from the mix signal. It's also reduce the sample rates and keep only the NBFM channel around the desired frequency. It's gonna pass next to the simple scratch. So the simple scratch is gonna block the noise when no real signal is present. It only passes the signal when its power exceeds the threshold. It's gonna give the output to the NBFM receive. So the NBFM receive, the purpose of it is to demodulate the narrowband FM. It converts the radio frequency signal to the audio. The NBFM receive is going to give two outputs. Once go to the Qt GUI time sync. You can see at the top here. So the purpose of this block is for visualizing the time domain outputs, verify that we are receiving a valid audio. The second output is multiply const. So the multiply const plot is gonna amplify the demodulated audio by a factor of 2 for a better volume. That's why I set the constant to 2 here. It's gonna give the outputs to the final. That's the audio sync. So the audio syncs is gonna send the final demodulated and amplify the audio to your computer speaker. And that's my flow graph. I'm gonna play it here. Here, that's what I say. The volume slider control. Thank you for watching.